Right now, inside you, there's an amazing machine that never, ever stops. And that machine is your body. Your body can run, jump, think, and heal all by itself. Let's go inside and see how it works. Your whole body is built from tiny living blocks called cells. You have trillions of them, far too many to count. To explore, Max is going to shrink down super small and take a trip through the body. Ready? Here we go. First stop, the mouth. Teeth chop the food and spit makes it mushy. Chomp chomp with Max. Whoosh! Food slides down a stretchy tube into the stomach, where it gets squished and mixed like a washing machine. Next, the long, twisty intestines soak up the good stuff from food, the vitamins and energy your body needs. The energy jumps into your blood, a busy red river that carries it everywhere, riding on tiny red blood cells. Up ahead, the heart. This mighty muscle pumps blood all day and night. Put your hand on your chest and feel it. Ba-bump, ba-bump. Your blood travels through tubes called vessels. Lined up end to end, they'd wrap all the way around the earth, twice. Time to breathe. Your two lungs fill up like balloons. Take a big breath in with Max, and slowly let it out. Inside the lungs, fresh oxygen hops into your blood, and your body sends the old air back out. What a clever trade. Now the control center, the brain. It's the boss of your whole body, thinking and deciding every single second. The brain sends messages zipping along nerves faster than lightning. Wiggle your fingers. That's your brain talking to them right now. Your brain learns about the world through 5 senses: seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching. Hold on, what keeps you standing tall? Your skeleton. 206 bones make the strong frame of your body. Bones do more than hold you up. Your skull guards your brain, and your ribs are a cage that protects your heart and lungs. Now flex. You have more than 600 muscles. They pull on your bones to make you move. Make a muscle with Max. Muscles and bones are a team. Muscles pull, bones swing, and ta-da! You can run, dance, and jump. Remember that food from before? Now it's energy delivered to every cell so your body can keep going strong. Uh-oh, germs. Don't worry. Your white blood cells are tiny soldiers that find and gobble up germs to keep you healthy. Your skin is your biggest organ, a stretchy shield that keeps germs out and even heals itself when you get a scrape. When you sleep, your body gets busy fixing and growing. That's why good sleep makes you feel super. To run its best, your body needs good fuel, colorful fruits and veggies, and lots of water. Moving your body makes your heart and muscles stronger. Let's get the blood pumping. Jump with Max. Every body is a little different, and every single one is amazing, including yours. Heart, lungs, brain, bones, muscles, they all work together as one incredible team, every second of every day. So take good care of your amazing machine. Eat well, move lots, sleep tight, and it will take care of you. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be a doctor or scientist who discovers something brand new about the body. Thanks for exploring the human body with us. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Big. See you next time, explorers!